When it comes to home security, many homeowners focus on locks, alarms, and surveillance systems. However, one of the most crucial components of securing your home is often overlooked: your windows. In Mandeville, Louisiana, where severe weather, humidity, and the occasional security concern are common, window installation plays a significant role in improving home security. Upgrading to new, high-quality windows can enhance both the safety and efficiency of your home, providing peace of mind for you and your family. Here's why window installation is a key factor in improving home security and how it benefits Mandeville homeowners. Stronger protection against break-ins. Windows are one of the most common entry points for burglars. Older windows with weak frames, worn-out locks, and single-pane glass are easier for intruders to break or bypass. In fact, it only takes a few seconds for a burglar to smash a window and gain access to your home. Upgrading your windows to modern, impact-resistant models significantly increases the difficulty for intruders. New windows often feature stronger frames, multi-point locking systems, and laminated or tempered glass that is much harder to break. Impact-resistant windows, which are designed to withstand high winds and flying debris, are particularly valuable for homes in Mandeville, where hurricane season can bring severe storms. By installing these windows, you are adding an extra layer of protection to your home, making it a much less attractive target for potential burglars. Improved locking mechanism. Older windows often feature outdated or faulty locking mechanisms that are easy to tamper with. A simple lock on a single-pane window can be easily bypassed, putting your home and belongings at risk. New windows come equipped with modern, more secure locking mechanisms that provide better resistance to forced entry. Multi-point locks, which secure the window at several points along the frame, are particularly effective at preventing break-ins. These locks are more difficult to manipulate or break, enhancing the overall security of your windows. For Mandeville homeowners, investing in windows with advanced locking systems is an essential step in fortifying the home against intruders, especially for those living in higher risk areas or with ground-level windows. Impact-resistant glass for added security. One of the most notable improvements in modern window technology is impact-resistant glass. This type of glass is specifically designed to resist shattering, even when subjected to extreme force. Impact-resistant windows are composed of multiple layers of glass with a strong polymer interlayer that holds the glass together even when it is cracked or broken. These windows provide a higher level of security by preventing easy access through the glass. Whether it's an intruder attempting to break in or flying debris during a storm, impact-resistant glass offers superior protection. For Mandeville homeowners, this feature is especially beneficial during hurricane season, as these windows can withstand the intense winds and flying debris that often accompany severe weather events. Enhanced protection against weather damage. In addition to protecting against break-ins, new window installation in Mandeville provides better defense against weather-related damage. Mandeville is no stranger to strong storms, and damaged windows can leave your home vulnerable to further harm from rain, wind, or flying debris. Upgrading to weather-resistant windows ensures that your home remains protected during severe weather. Modern windows come with weatherproof seals, better insulation, and the ability to withstand high winds, reducing the risk of water intrusion and minimizing damage to your home. This additional layer of protection during storms helps maintain your home's structural integrity and adds to your overall security. Improved visibility and safety. New windows can also improve the safety of your home by offering better visibility. With clearer glass and more transparent materials, it's easier to see what's happening outside your home, providing added security by allowing you to spot any suspicious activity. Additionally, windows with integrated glass panels or sidelights can allow natural light to flood your entryway, eliminating dark, hidden areas around your home where intruders may attempt to lurk. For homeowners in Mandeville, the ability to see clearly from inside the home not only enhances security but also creates a more welcoming, well-lit environment around the property. Increased home value and appeal. Beyond security, new window installation increases your home's value. Potential buyers will see the added benefit of having upgraded windows that not only look great but also improve security and energy efficiency. Homes with newer, more secure windows are often more desirable and sell faster, as buyers know they'll spend less on repairs and upgrades in the long run. For homeowners looking to protect their investment in the home, installing high-quality windows is a wise decision that will pay off when it comes to resale value and the overall marketability of the property. Conclusion. Window installation is a critical investment for improving the security of your Mandeville home. Upgrading to impact-resistant windows with modern locking systems, better insulation, and weatherproof seals provides enhanced protection against break-ins, severe weather, and other potential threats. Not only does this upgrade improve your peace of mind and your home's safety, but it also boosts the value and aesthetic appeal of your property. For Mandeville homeowners, investing in new windows ensures a safer, more secure home for years to come, offering both immediate and long-term benefits. Whether you're looking to prevent intruders or protect your family from the elements, window installation is a step toward a more secure, comfortable, and valuable home.